He is Alex. And he works as chief software engineer in a company. And she is Maya. She is a fashion designer. She loves Alex very much.
I'm so glad. We can spend the day together, Alex.
Me too, Maya.
What happened, Alex? Is everything okay?
Yeah. I'm just a bit tired.
You sure? You seem distant lately.
No, it's nothing. I just have a lot on my mind.
Maya and Alex are having dinner together.
Alex. Is there something you're not telling me?
Okay. There is something I need to tell you.
What is it?
I've been seeing someone else.
What? How could you do this to me?
I'm sorry, Maya. It was a mistake. I never meant to hurt you.
A mistake. You cheated on me, Alex. How could that be a mistake?
I know. I messed up. But please, forgive me. I love you.
Love? If you truly loved me, you wouldn't have betrayed me like this.
She is Anna, Maya's best friend.
Maya, what happened? Why are you crying?
Alex cheated on me.
What? That's horrible. You deserve better than that.
I thought he loved me. But he was just playing me this whole time.
Please don't cry. You'll find someone who truly loves and respects you, Maya. Don't let this cheater get you down.
Maya. Can we talk?
What is there left to say?
I know I messed up, Maya. I should have never cheated on you. I was stupid and I regret it.
You hurt me, Alex. I trusted you and you betrayed me.
I understand that, Maya. And I'm willing to do anything to make it right.
How can you possibly make this right?
I will do whatever it takes to earn your forgiveness. I will go to counseling, cut off all contact with the other woman. Whatever it takes to prove to you that I'm committed to making things right.
I need some time to think about it.
I understand, Maya. Please just know that I'm willing to do whatever it takes to make things right between us. I understand that, Maya. And I'm willing to do anything to make it right.
How can you possibly make this right?
I will do whatever it takes to earn your forgiveness. I will go to counseling, cut off all contact with the other woman.
Hello.
Maya. I just want to tell you that I love you. And I will do whatever it takes to make it right.
I need time, Alex. I need to think about what's best for me.
I understand, Maya. Take all the time you need. I just want you to know that I will always love you.
I love you too, Alex. But I need to make sure I can trust you again.
I will do whatever it takes to earn your trust back, Maya. Okay, Maya. I'll hang up now. Please think about it. Maya, I know I messed up. But I love you and I want to make things right. Will you please give me another chance?
Come inside. I've been thinking a lot about us, Alex. And I still love you too. But I'm scared that you'll hurt me again.
I understand that, Maya. But I promise you that I will never cheat on you again. I will do whatever it takes to earn your trust back.
I want to believe you, Alex. But it's going to take time for me to trust you again.
I understand. And remember one thing. I will do whatever it takes to prove to you that I'm committed to making things work.
Promise?
I promise.
Several months later, Alex and Maya are out for a romantic dinner at a fancy restaurant. Alex gets up from his seat and kneels down in front of Maya.
Maya, you mean everything to me. I love you more than anything in this world. Will you marry me?
Yes, Alex. I will marry you.
Alex puts a ring on Maya's finger, and they embrace. Both of them crying tears of joy. The story ends with Maya and Alex's engagement and a renewed commitment to their relationship. It shows that love and forgiveness can overcome even the toughest of obstacles, but that it takes work and commitment to build and maintain trust in a relationship. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next story.